Meaningful employment is critical to good health and well-being. And while finding your first job can be a difficult and daunting prospect, this can be even harder for people with learning disabilities. However, a new scheme called Project Search aims to change this. Sue Saville went to Public Health England to meet some of the Project Search employees.
Moving into the workplace after full-time education is particularly difficult for young people with learning disabilities. But at Public Health England, such youngsters are taught transferable skills with work placements to ease that transition. The scheme is called Project Search, an idea that started in America and is beginning to make an impact here.
The need is really great because with those that have got learning difficulties and those that between ages of 18 and 24, the likelihood at the moment of them getting jobs is about 10%. But going through something like Project Search, that changes to around about 70%. And we know that from a public health point of view, getting somebody in who has got a job and starting to get their self-confidence and a reason for getting up in the morning increases their health, and that's got to be good for all of us.
At first, when I started, I didn't actually realise how much I would enjoy working in a lab, but I actually really enjoy it because there's so much to do, so much work, and you're learning new things every day. And I think I've learned a lot of new skills because at first I wasn't very confident. I didn't believe that I could do something as well, but since being here, I've made new friends, I've made a lot more confident.
After training with Project Search at Public Health England, Gregory successfully applied for a job in the warehouse.
I pick stuff, I'm delivering stuff, and I'm there because people order stuff all the time, every day, every day, every day.
Do you like your job here?
Yes, it's quite fun for me.
Part of Public Health England's remit is to address health inequalities. Teaching employability skills in a setting like this to youngsters with learning disabilities gives them both purpose and an income, vital to anyone's well-being. A key finding of Project Search has been that other staff realise the value of these hard-working, committed youngsters.
Just because you're a young person with a learning difficulty doesn't mean that we have to make a job for you. We can fit them in to a job that's already there.
I think Project Search is a wonderful thing to be with. If they give you the support and the confidence to get so that you can use your confidence skills and easier to communicate with other members of the public and the members of staff around you. So I think Project Search has helped me a lot.
Not only are those on the Project Search training course growing in the skills and confidence that will help them into mainstream jobs, but also the staff around them have learnt a lot too. They talk of finding a better ethos at work, of being more motivated, and of finding great satisfaction in helping to make a real difference in young people's lives. A win-win situation that benefits the wider community.